Arabic billing option, enhancing readability and usability for GCC users. So this caters to GCC users, where we have introduced the Arabic language option for our bills. So this properly aligns with the region, right? Because when it comes to GCC countries, the Arabic billing option is really important and it's a necessary thing as well. So this is also user-centric kind of an enhancement. So let's see how this works. So this is an workspace in a GCC country. So let's see. I'm going to select. Yes, this is in Dubai. Yes, so the TRN number is given. All of these details are present here. So we'll do one thing. We'll just see how and in which particular section we have introduced this Arabic option and how this particular thing works out. So let's go to settings, right? I'm going to select the first branch itself. And we have to first of all enable the Arabic option. So we have the default language terms under the other preference section under settings. So let's click on update under the language Arabic. So we have the update default language terms. So these are the default language terms provided by EalSuite itself. So everything is present here. If you want to change it like from advanced to something else, you can do it. No issues. I'm not going to do that. But if you're definitely sure that you want, okay, let's take a situation where we are talking about 3 different workspaces. One is in Saudi, one is in Qatar, and the other one is in UAE. So specifically regional wise, if there is any change in the language terms, specifically in Arabic itself, you want to change it, you can directly change it from the update default language terms option itself. You can do that and you can simply click on submit. Otherwise, we'll be sticking on to the default language terms provided by EalSuite itself. All right. So once this is done, now we have to introduce this into our template builders. All right. So let's create a new template builder. I'm going to create it under the invoice module and we'll keep it as invoice template. We'll keep it underscore Arabic. So now what happens? I'm not going to change the further details or anything like that. Let me just show you where this Arabic feature gets reflected under the multiple language section. So you can enable the multiple language and we only have one language right now, that is Arabic, and you can click on update language terms. So here also you can update your language terms, right? So you can keep it like this. If I'm making a change to grand total itself, submit. So you can generate the preview and you can see something like this, right? And you can click on save. So let me just update the term grand total. Okay, so I've changed or updated the language. If I want to return back, what I can do, I can simply click on reset and this happens, right? So for terms, I'm going to put it as terms itself and submit. And let me just generate preview. So terms will be coming as terms itself. See? Now, this is just a preview. I'll show you how the real invoice gets worked out. Yes, so we will go to our dashboard. We'll go to, yes, let's select this particular invoice. And we have an Arabic. Okay, we'll select this first in our default invoice. So this is a payment method, is shown the term, taxes, confidentiality. This comes under terms, and this is the way in which this whole invoice looks like. Now, if I want to see it in the Arabic template, this is the way in which it looks like. See the difference? So it will be shown in English as well as in Arabic. So this is really important when it comes to GCC countries. So we have introduced that. And like I told you, right now the terms works like this. But if you want to return back into your original format itself, you can go to update language terms, simply click on reset and submit, and you can save the change. If you generate the preview, you can see the difference would have been taken place here. And if I reload this, the terms would have been shown in Arabic as well. So a very important and a sensitive update, I would say, when it comes to Arabic billing or now this is a clear stepping stone for us because we are introducing multiple languages in bills, languages in which bills can be generated in EalSuite. All right. So stepping stone, I would say in the future, we will be bringing in more and more languages, especially region wise, where we'll be giving you the provision, we'll be giving you standard terms or default terms, and we'll be also giving you the provision to edit those terms. And at the point, if you want to return back into those default terms, we'll be providing you the reset option as well. So it's completely customizable in that particular way.